I'm here to talk to you about Maanan. Maanan is a mental wellness hub coming up very shortly in Kolkata. What is Maanan all about? Well, just as the name suggests to you, it has all to do with your mon. And our logo is Man se Man tak, which means any issues that you may have in wondering why your mind is thinking the way it does, or what you should do about a particular situation that you're not able to decide, you can come to us. You must understand, and we all must remember, that when we have the problem with our eye, we go to an ophthalmologist. So when we are not too clear about what our mind is saying to us, whom do we go to? We have to go to a psychologist. That is the work of the psychologist who will guide us as to how to deal with the situation that we are not able to quite understand. We have noticed very often that the mental issue, or not knowing what to do, or being absolutely flabbergasted as to what exactly is to be done, or to be full of choice and not knowing what exactly is the right choice to make, but we don't want to go to a psychiatrist or a psychologist. What do? We push it into the carpet, and we take advice from, yes, our elders, our parents, who may not be so well equipped to guide you there. And that is when Maanan comes in. That is when you should come to the mental wellness center that will train you as to what exactly would be the right thing to do. Very often it happens in life, you will note, that you are about to be plunging into a path of your career, and suddenly you feel that no, you may want to do something else. Where do you go then? Whom do you go to? Yes, you come to a counselor, and we shall have counselors for you at Maanan who will guide you. Very often we all read in various magazines and newspapers that we are all psychosomatic beings. It means that very often, we have a mental ailment, and it is associated with a physical not feeling too well, and we go to a doctor not realizing that our mental equilibrium needs a correction, and that is when you must visit a psychologist. We want you to come, we want you to feel good, we want you to feel safe, we want you to feel assured that life is fine. Every age has its own ailment. We have seen age playing havoc with our mental status, physical status. Come this year, we are experiencing the effects of pandemic, and all darling children are locked inside their homes. Adults are losing their jobs. People who are of my age, older than us, we don't know where to go to breathe fresh air, or is there any fresh air anymore? Maanan has trained people who will tell you what you should be doing, how you will acclimatize yourself to the new normal, and that is most necessary. Your child goes to a good school, has been scoring moderately well. Suddenly you find his or her grades falling, and very often you think the child is not studying. We have our special educators who will tell you that your child is thinking differently, and maybe in a more scientific manner than you could even think of. And that is what we will do at Maanan. We will help your child to learn better. He will be able to understand his words, his sentences, his mathematics, his geography, and he will be able to interpret it. And children sometimes pick up role models that really shouldn't have been looked at, and they make mistakes, big mistakes. And it is to correct these errors that we also have psychiatric social workers who will help the children with proper psychological assessments to understand where they went wrong. So we will be doing family counseling, we will be doing counseling to take children away from bad habits that they may have developed. Come to Maanan, please. We'll wait for you. Thank you.